Hey everybody, Sal is so awesome. He said that I could have a piece of his Peruvian apple cactus. Now, this is one of the tallest cactus in the world, or cacti in the world, native to, I believe, Peru. Very, very spiny. They also call this the pitaya cactus. It does have a pitaya fruit, you can see, and you can actually use the pollen on dragon fruit. So this beast just gets gigantic, and again, it can be one of the tallest cacti in the world.
Yeah, this one's huge.
Yeah, this guy is really tall. I'd say probably approaching over 20 feet for sure. And I had to be really selective about how to cut it. So I was gonna try to use a towel to catch it, but I think in this case, I'm just gonna let it fall and then wrap it up.
It's probably,
so this is probably like a 4-foot cutting. So here we go, let's see how it goes. And hopefully we won't get any spinies on us. All right, there we go. Woo! So these are pretty heavy. I'd estimate this thing, let's see how heavy it is.
It's gotta be like 30 pounds.
Man, I'm afraid of this thing. Ugh. But it did get a little damage when it hit the rock, but that's my fault, it's gonna be fine. It's not as heavy as I thought, Scott. I'd probably say about 15 pounds, maybe.
It's definitely awkward.
So it's gonna be fun to carry this home and get it in the trunk, but now I have a piece of Peruvian apple cactus. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll do some updates on this cactus in the future. It's one of my favorite. All right, take care.